and this is from Team Aaron, and we are in the HTML 8th video in the easy way to learn the HTML and preparing the static websites, and we are in the easy way of learning the HTML tags. And in our previous video we stopped at here, and now today in this video we are going to see different types of form attributes that are provided in HTML5. As I was already said in my previous videos, that HTML5 is the latest version of the HTMLs, and it is now widely used HTML5. And HTML5 we have a different number of form attributes, and we will just look at them in a brief manner. The first form attribute that is available in HTML5 and even the 5.1 is the form action attribute. Suppose now here we have in the form we have created in our last videos, the form action is now denoting demo.asp. Suppose you want to uh, form the form and you want to redirect, you want to change the form action. Suppose this form action demo.asp belongs to the user. Suppose this the action which we want to perform, which we want the browser to perform uh, after the user clicks on the submit, will be demo.asp, as you can see here. Suppose we have to provide another button. Suppose I'm writing a code here, input another button, that is type equals submit, sorry, type equals submit, and here I am using a form action attribute like demo1.asp, and I'm closing this input tag, and I'm writing a submit as admin. And uh, let me sorry, we have to give this in the value attribute, sorry, as I already said in a previous video, value equals, let me copy this, submit as admin, and let me close this input attribute, and let me just go back and let me save this. So here you can see submit as admin. This is submit. Since we have written in the value, we got this submit as admin here. Let me remove it, sorry. Value should, let me remove it. Let me save this. Here we can see this is submit as admin. Suppose I was type something here and I'm pressing submit as admin, and here you can see, one second, sorry, this form action here, yes, value equals, let me use some input here. So this here, since we have not written any demo1.asp in the server side, so it's not showing anything. Suppose the important use of this form action is nothing but if we press this input type, if we press this submit button, then we will be redirected to demo.asp. It will be overriding this demo.asp. When we press the submit of this input type, will be redirected to demo1.asp. That is the use of the form action tag. And this is another tag called form C type. A form C type indicates that the data should be encrypted in a manner. So the form C type is useful in security purposes. The form C type, there are several values for form C type, like multi-part slash form data and many more values. So form C type is used to encrypt the data and send it to the server. So I can't show it you that now because I have not written any server side language like PHP or ASP. And there is another attribute called form validate. Form validate indicates that the form will be validated before it is sent to the server. And there will be another value called form target. Let me show the form target for you because we can do it here. Form target is nothing but it is let me go to some input type here, sorry, in the let me go to here in the form, let me type not here, in the input type. So in the submit, let me type in the submit form target. Form target equals, it's nothing like, it's something like the target attribute in the anchor tag. You are aware of the anchor tag in our previous videos. So anchor tag, in the anchor tag there will be an action attribute, like it tells the browser where the link should open, whether in a new window or in the current window or in the parent window. So in the same way, if you want to open this, if you want to open the form after submitting your message, that is the demo.asp will be appearing in the next to tab. If you keep this as slash bank, let me show you, let me save this, and for this input type submit, let me submit this, and you can see there is another tab open which is referring to demo.asp. Suppose if I write here, that is our first tag, that is a form action, uh, form action equals demo1.asp. Let me save this and let me close this one and let me submit this. You can see now it will be referring to demo1.asp. So that's the use of the demo1. I mean the form action. It is overriding this demo.asp. It is showing the demo1.asp. And now the next important tag, I mean next important attribute is the required attribute. Suppose here we have an input type text name equal to lname, and if we give this required, and we already seen read only, what is read only, it will make the input type constant. If we give required and if we type this, and what we are going to require, we are given to the last name, if we don't type it, it will be showing please fill out this form, means it should be filled. It is we kept that form as a required factor, like the, like you will see in many Facebook and even Twitter, your first name is required by them. So a required attribute is used for that. And for the placeholder, I have shown already what is meant by placeholder in my previous video. And we have multiple attribute which will be useful to attach multiple files in the HTML. And in the same way, there will be a form method overrides the method attribute. Suppose here we have the method equal to post. So only for, suppose we have your submit button, and in this submit, if you want to override that form, for this submit, if you want, um, the method should be get. The complete form is indicating, the method indicating for a complete form is post, but only for this submit you want to change the method, then we will have to use form method equal to get. This form method get will be overriding this form, I mean the complete method, final method post, that will, this post will be overridden in this submit button. We can't run this here because we are not having a server side, and this completes our different HTML5 attributes provided by the HTML5. And in the next video we'll be going to the concepts of HTML5 and designing the graphics. And stay tuned to our channel for several much more videos. Thank you.